Hi, my name is Taylor Smith and I'm going to be going over what locomotor skills and what non-locomotor skills are. So basically, locomotor skills are these skills that move the body from one place to another, I guess in short. And non-locomotor skills are skills that the body doesn't have to move from one place to another. And the importance of these skills is basically repeating these skills over and over again will help children to perform collectively in other activities such as like sports or PE, things like that. So I'm going to be going over a few of them with you guys. So an example of a locomotor skill is jumping. And an example of this would just make sure that both of your feet are together. You want to bend at the knees and just bring yourself up. You want to make sure you're landing lightly. Another example of a locomotor skill would be hopping, and there's a major difference between hopping and jumping. Hopping, you are hopping up and down on one foot, or you can transition from one foot or another. So an example of this would just be, and to make sure you use your arms and the rest of your body for balance. The final example for locomotor skills is sliding, and this is one of my favorites that I learned in elementary school. It's basically just, and the key here is to make sure your feet do not lift off the ground. And you'd want to just slide from one side to the other, and to just make sure your other side is following. Some examples of non-locomotor skills. One example is bending. Bending is as simple as just bending down as far as you can, or even maybe this side. Just bending. I'm not very flexible, so I can't bend very far. Another example of a non-locomotor skill is twisting. So a skill that I learned in elementary school for twisting is just to twist your trunk back and forth, just like this. And the final example for a non-locomotor skill is stretching. And this is very key because bending and stretching can look very similar. But stretching, there must be a hold. So an example would just be, let's just place our arm right here and to hold. And so forth, maybe 10 seconds or so. And then maybe even the other side. And just make sure you're holding. This is a stretch. So I hope this is very informative for you guys and it clears up some questions and things like that. So thank you.